First of all, they doing to ride along Deng Cha deport for a very long time. Tell me like last year. And then I've been ignoring you guys. Kind of go to right then. It has been 1 year now. So when I talk ko day yellar talk share the video. Can you deport? I don't know, go a jig talk to no, go a jig right to no, but can you deport? But to order deport. Ko chikuma wo ko jin chiku en gati ga gad. So charge deport ko wajo deport bi shek be kuma be su ko gadu di dong be kuma ben su. But changa jo biro mu ke ticket bi jen. Oh we dun. Ko chaguji changa gore we dien. Kenji Canada. So it's a jen. Chia mane chia mari ko non wood nasser. Okay. Adoram batin and wood chien dio. And wood chien ko. They did me la point. We logo wang nat ya tula te mud one yan. So guadong gale tunko. Nermela nirje. Trale kun kwang roy. Garden dem kon. Yan kulta kwang dem. Kwang dem kon. So te din la kiet ke. I can what it you. Ken chen dio yaran luge cha kuluglia. Kene ko. Ala jin mi ro jil jiran chen dio yen nak bai lu shinguri. Bai lu lia. So bi chen dio ban bai bun je kan bukan jina. Tel term buto. So jan ta chak dirmo. Ken chen dio yaran luge cha kuluglia. Kene ko. Ken chen kol yaran luge cha kuluglia. Kene ko. An chabi magene dia. Gararam gwe. Chalia ku bene shende. A waitung kwa kana cham. Tele kwarme deriet. Tonka dangwa. Wager kap yore we bugurun ben. O dole kuire do. Banyo loy. Ken chen dia yaran luge cha kuluglia. Kene ko. Dia chen gwaren. An wuchen dio. Kene yol chen ku. Ken chen kol yaran luge cha kuluglia. Kene ko. An chabi magene dia. Gararam we. Chalia ku bene shende. A waitung kwa. Kana cham. Tele kwarme deriet. Tonka dangwa. Wager kap yore we bugurun ben. O dole kuire do. Jan dorom bate. And wood dwarm on wood chinko. Can you yell chin dio? Kachin well. Kachin call. Kalingi wall one. Jan dorom bate. Kondiel. Okay. Chin call. Nikula jolly chin yan juk. Yan juk. Kaneko. Kakon go barko on to call. Chingaling. Lingagwa. So te tankun la right. Kay deng. Cha deport jene criminal chamule en kan nga me yen nga Canada. Te kan tel wun mo yang me yen tin that. Kan nga me yen ka South Sudan, kan nga me yen anywhere. Ko ngan law abiding citizen. Ram nga ngot. So cho Canada, you had a telephone kun by a lar to. Kan nga yen ka Canada ko chi ngan criminal. Nga responsible married man, and husband, father, and community man. Michinga jag rei jinasir nong na community dakel reiche wang nong na community dakel so ne retem nga ticket ka chiang gware chwal ka ke jinasir che ko jo chia mare an changa kap chong let ke 2022 ke November cha ben kwen ge 2023 ke saving you te top right now kume nga jo bajien ke 2025 so goro biang mu ko yo to bokodaka ayo ya ka dol ko yo wo baru ta kume wo baru go ticket yo ya ka dol so choro go ticket Chajian, Chawanyurku Juba. Go a one-way exit. I have to leave Canada, but waking up my birth country. So my birth country don't have nothing in the Junub. So I went to South Sudan. From Canada to South Sudan. Tell them you deport. You had an Canada, Balari, Kaden, Chatim ticket, the here man in Nasser. This deportation, they are deport. She had to think 1 year. Catch a bit. This is the first time quite address an issue, man. So you're now Canada. Kaden deport, you can deport, by you can deport. Kaden attempt ticket, Nasser can attempt ticket, by you attempt ticket. Okay. Maling wanching a joke, will I go back to Canada? Bo Canada. Go young jogi. Me we ticket what time we walk Africa. But we go to authorization to return. Maybe after 1 year. That time 1 year you talk last year. So this year but go back to return. Go tell low me break. Can me yen. I'm a family man. Go aka gadka yen a go. Shagda tell na conflict na domestic issues teleke. So I'm eligible go below Canada. Go mutual authorization, that's it. Telling a issue go kuma Canada. The only issue was that and then member has PLMIO. Oh Lord, benyo miagwa. So, namani Canada, Agord, Kwang Dem Kwan, Banyo there. Issue of pink and being a Canadian. I'll address it today. So, namani a reason, a Canadian reason. So by nanka picnic to go to Guaman. Wangan as PLMIO, cause PLMIO was criminal organization. So me to participate in the criminal organization because I'm popular like that, manage and all this, which is not true. So they believe in all and then Rami Bet. So, so engagement during SPLMIO. This is my issue. SPLMIO, Manukuma Canada is aware and run SPLMIO. We won't kill you. Chima, Chalanegato. Okay. So, Jenny Gian or Canada. Talk. So, I believe today you have it. Nanja Kuenga, Canada. This is my marriage certificate. So teni you nga chono opinion nega Canada. La chuji and chono opinion mano yukume wanka goru. And then you let go do the dien bit of a Jewish. But an law abiding citizen. Angarami nago be and we want what. You know? Labeling choptin, ke stage and choptin in life, joba jaka talk, ko yana rock talk we want. So kumi a lare changor, chajian. So we didn't have and pink mal in peace. Tell a handcuffs, ki police, ki deportation, nothing. Chajian bus just like that. Ko yanga jomu wijian, take a chance bilunjok, ko chi low chiamot, chi cheer lot. Okay, so chajian in peace. This year, better go low job. We mon guano bichang, a jin law abiding, guano bichang neji constitutions, neji what, neji law. So below be respect. Janangoro no money. So nana wa ngan trade coach take training ke SPLMIO military Yeah, I became Ngandate and all this. Which is true, Ngan captain in the Pagak. So Ngan me bang work up in go cha go river music the back war. Then could have been American. We're not Australia, we're not Canada. Everything is all about talk in life. The moment you go you talk to George, then we take a masculine. So there you have it, my people. Let me get something else here. So chingwang nan kay nyung kun kay roy na kun. Ko kay denga deport. Goro you leave it from today. No kay denga deport. Tell kay denga deport. So ano kuro do look. So me roy chenga kuya spele mayo kuru ale ko yen Nathaniel. Most of you guys, kay deng ki o yet da correct da kanye correct di. As spele mayo te jike. You just don't come and do things. Okay? You can't just come and play. You can't do that. Mekwaji allow Neriko Kien Deng will never allow you to. Reng Machar is like my father. So me I couldn't get this political chocolate, baran ba chocolate kete take. I cannot allow it. So Biarodun look. From today, Mijira na SPLM ayo mugwa. Bi gor bu chonkel ka constitution. Ana ramitol ngot goro bi lad it bi tan yen galwang. Bi jono mo kaj. Kami lade political chokre chok gwandi chok jere bi jono mo kaj bo. Is not going to be allowed. Ka SPLM ayo. So kon bane changagwa. Chengne lane go wimo. Ka lane lat ka talk. Talk janang nan nyam rei tek. Chang me ya Jesus nap ka talk, ki ya pot ya ka talk. We cannot shy away from telling the truth. Ko o me ke liu. Mi jira mu talk pin mi bitek na biri alaka. Bi yiglat ka talk. Bi yiglat ka talk. So janan ba pek tina no mo. Kajin gan mandong chande roi kaji GMD tinga jin wunu ta lord along committee ga lord I don't know men chi lon ka len rei te ka du. I'm a married man chinga de teje balo Canada di check de te Canada kada ga te Canada ta community Canada mi non ke di Nasser they are capable enough ko ba you ko en kele nyoko ba ngalo jok en non unity community da so mi jiran rei community ga du I believe you are a nobody. Be blocked from this day because I don't like nonsense. So be suspended. Be suspended with ban. So be banned for good. So chanda kana we mon. Mi we jagala yil mi bi mala ku comment. Jek bi wodre tegada. Janamba larno mo. So kayen GSPLM IOD jo from these days ngada jeno our future is good bana take future mugwa kayen nuari gona no talk ko mo kono gor talk bana ro lok bana ro kan reading tintanati bana South Sudan bana is safe from the corrupt path and taken. Ke chuar dial tente kel ka Salva Kiir chuar tin riudien boko nuor kon. Okay, so no more jangwa dongoro ba pekten so they jogi sia talk sia ngaja wal teleram chinga deport from Canada ta jogna biro wood ki bi jen la jin ko ngwe kan ci jen la jin then ba ji yen go charge with deport. No de nga yen ka rama kan me yen ni ka Africa de nga lo yen rol do dien rol me kan gwa Ramadan she kan mo gwa. So I decided go be yen in peace. So jangwan de pekten no mo be ko be kel ke ye. It's a happy Sunday. So I don't know, don't be more kedin more di mal je kwa man. Tirpam chapwa jada jitari ke. Long na kwar kala chungni cha bom da nyok me je yaro rai pam chi pam dal bang ke Jesus jen kod kor mi bum ta kwar ka long ke die gwa kor banero rien gwa kor banero rien ye chole ye ke yen la kir ti kwa ke yen la kir kwa doang e ti ka ba le bie Guat ko banero rien. Tirpam is like me and Remasha now. Remasha tirpam. Kanuari. Kapot jaja the nur. Na lol nyeki. Anaka. Good point. Wala jabuluj borodo. Larara ten ma kerut jalia Remasha by yellow. So Totonji can go. To be honest with you, I went through hell. Ke yen chia mare ke yen gan mare nori. Go. What I went through last year was one of the toughest journey. So yang kapchong ka Canada chan lat ke 2022 ka November. Then chaben kwen. And then chiku mga banjo bijian we kan chijian ba yen ko chai bi deport ka gat ka ti ka shak. So then ra community to job yang code. Then ya ban ka Africa chi mar ban liu. And then I also appreciate Pesnakel Media. They took me on a tour last year, and then yen chia mar nori. Chianga boom, chia berar, chianga boom. So chia chonkel kanga, and just loaje tanga the entire year. To be honest, I was to be depressed. La day takat chang bejalong. Because nobody we could ganko. It's a culture dan konwari ke African. But their culture ne to bore, ba jijo bijian could ganko ke bagat ko bako winyamdo. So I have spent a year chatagaron. Me chanta kel gagat ka chanta kel shekda. I believe if you relate to my pain, then I think you have once witnessed that. Maybe don't you go through what I went through. Kayen Nathan Ponga throughout in this life. It is really tough, you know. It is really tough, Shia Mori, look at turn against you. In your time of need, in your toughest time, or in your difficult time in life. But, Chiko the boom, Charud. I haven't been very happy throughout the year, 2025. But you, my family, made sure that I'm strong. Gwalen no wako kun kong chonkel ka ngalong kana shagda na changkot pal chigo chonkel ngalong throughout this difficult past year and a half. Lara Costello, I'm truly grateful that I am still alive and I still have a chance to correct things and to do good by my family, by my wife, and by my uncle. So, Tirpam, Nadine Mugualo, I don't know why I'm not singing it, but Nadine Mugualo, we kell the situation and show through. We kell the situation and show through. Tenir Bangal, quet by Marle, no, a Jin government agent, go more the Liu Kume. To be honest, thank you, Michi South Sudan, she agreed that right now. Biranjek gada ka kume point da ka ayu. Biranjek point da ka ayu gada ka kume. So very tough. But Mar, she's an adult. The choice the chair make and over to Kukuma, Jelia Jetin. Rest in peace, Mama. It is by grace that I'm actually soldiering on. A long year ki a long boomer ki a long tea ki a bomb tea and again a road loy. And no road at road. Go large and gun noara. Come to Oglian noara tare which target Junub Sudan. Among the first young men to take on my Yotka Jube. Tatin. Me guru be talk be ngach be guard war because you're a guard also because you're okay. A lodge kanuk ko anwar kana wat ko anwar njanga ko beti chunga ka community da matin bay lat nga na throughout bay kelong lakin barut ko jawo tele gog mangat ke chiamani la jijje ke chiamore mano yalo marbo in the future so bakurut men kulo gwawo chale ne ka ngabongan ka rane ne jeme ne riek machar pot je ya de yen chiamare tang kon ta nuori ka nuori to go long to ter je to go ti chunkel ga riek machar ka chunkel ga rete ka so de woy be goy ko nyal bata kon dial ke but be boom ka dirma la lim cho Jesus kwar mi dit mi tejit ramino la ye ke loy de pini chang la u je dwal loy de la teke loy mi teke liao la lue ke loy mi je e miet ke loy mi na bode e loang ke mi chi chu Jin chu di gwa mi chuong tin jin kod mi gangi gog da mi chi bi da ke o che tiang ke bom ke nenu Jesus yen da gang da mas da news da luak da kwara Take that, drop the pig galloping, ling liag mi liakoji. Dark on like the rail the qui charmi charaji, chang mi baji nen cheng du baji dol liage pu mi ngota ta ke ye ponda de nok du ake ka a cho du le lo de ye pin mi wa chang le de ben. So they would because the Berekel Gakon Kuarani Yang Machar is the first man. Mecha Jenga Taska Project Fame, Michinga Mukamuch. De Larbo Jan Wooden Yaman Kamgan Yalka Junuk. Gomenonga Dangundang, Jangajaka Bucket. Mecha Toga Taska Project Fame, Changaja Changadore. They're going to want Yang Machar Kaletka. They can't let go quarter dien roll Junub Sudan. Take me a large cheng roll noir. Take a roll like Chungi Rantin. Ramata dual one, which on Kajakel. A chunk tell you to be your whelping. But Gwilugaja. be mot ke rot kene ngap ko be yiglu nyara pi ke be tek be nyoko mi jege rew de ram cha yen duel ke yen ke ram cha yen situation tare ma cha tin che gori bane criticize ni je che gori bitene ko na genism che tan kwala ne ka domanda ni o yen Natania. If there is anything we could do as a community, it would then take a unity. Then lo conduct a mar so that then can. I will need that internal unity. Chima division and kwale nang ni amalong wouldn't be Natania. Oh yeah. So gor kon ngap redan ka gor kon taker ka unity. Komo kono take a unity. Chana be kane kwaran. Ni His Excellency Dr. Riek Machar Tendu Turgon, the first Vice President in the Republic of South Sudan. Manukon Banakanja Kakwida and unity among. So the situation that I believe I am at a better stage right now. As a leader, I will do everything possible to make sure I owe Machiran Bangarkaja, and to make sure as PLMIO but thrives in unity, and to make sure constitutional orders and institutional improvements, as well as the already established structures, Bakajik respect, collective leadership, but prioritize. Go and I pay the highest price. Wanga Tugna Canada and no below we do the go in Mambagas PLMIO. It's a big punishment. But as a man, these are the type of journeys that strengthen us and that always remind us that we have a bigger future ahead of us and we have things we must do to improve the life of our people. So I already paid the ultimate price. Canada. Right now, my return by citizenship. Another court cases. No, he's done. That one is done. I already paid the price by leaving the country when they need it. So, Ojana Banga, Baban Jungi, Kanga report. In last year, I have endured Charut Kaloida without telling it, without being loud about it. Kayane langa taka kuimar mi yongi ran kelia. I believe terami kon liwe take do. So cheni bi jogi dong bran kule liu for you to know how painful it is. Mi teram chi kon liwe take do, and chi beg liet chi jak. I think goro biro du chum ke biro long ka chop wa mi chirada dien cheda yong ka ja. Go that way. Chikani the more, Kichibuna the more, but Tiagni Yekubo. So Jende Larnomo. Cheng Italian Melari, Jogi, Joseph Mecha Gade Mecha Podja. Chakur Chang Mog Israel. Chiyik Israel. Kiji Calvary, Chiyik Kakashiamani. Kone report Jesus Jack Kagan man Jesus. So me chaku pot Jack, what did Joseph do? One issue. Chakormo. Komar Nagashianari. Michia Minya, Nyadian. Kajinazar. So boy ye Kachianari ko Anyadiana. Kate Quikum. ke tiang no be chia mar ba ka palika ba prioritize ni unity so gwao ngaine tin banaro muy ka bom ga ke ngaine tin banaro boom ga ke as a community katana ga palika bomidi na chi dini kuet kana la jor okay na chi dini kan to pe palongwa mo boko berekel ga this is my first time to come live this year in this 2026 don't go ben live but I believe this issue now is okay. I learned from it. We were already and Waji accused Kuyas PLMIO and no Jin member. Waju Joe by deport. Making Queen, yes, by deport. We tell guard by deport, but me guard by deport. But we generally by Queen for almost 6 years or 10 years. So long, Logian. But history go Chaiyan, Chabe understand an ideal. So we choose no journey. So that you don't have the history of which I lock up. I think Guanajan more. So because Brekelia, so I like Kaden, Kwang dem kun Kwang Roya, Wang Nap, as PLMIO. Viva! Viva! As PLMIO, viva! Biatamal, Antarkur. Riang machar bangwang bianen chang yene bangwang bianer. Point and nor bangwang bia lot chang look yene bangwang bia lung. Garanang ne quer we quam kasig palmagua. Nera quer. Garanang ne quer we quam kasig balamigua. Nera quer. Biatamal.